welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the United States, then go ahead and comment "done" down below to be automatically entered. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced concealer and I just used this as a primer. So I just applied it all over my eyelid and then I blended it out and set everything in place with some translucent powder. The palette that I went in with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Collection Volume 3. And this is what it looks like on the inside. The first shade that I went in with is the shade B5, which is this really light neutral brown shade, and I just put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. And you don't have to be too precise with this eyeshadow because it's just going to act as the background for the next shadows that we're going to go in with. The next one that I went in with is the shade D1, and I picked it up with a defined angled brush, and I put that in my crease a little bit above my actual crease so that when I open my eye it frames my eye socket. And please excuse all the lash glue on my lashes. I tend to film looks back to back to back, so without irritating my eye too much, I didn't want to take too much of that lash glue off, otherwise my eye would start watering like crazy. But I went back into that eyeshadow that we put in our crease and I just packed it all over my eyelid just to create a really nice smoky but wearable look. And then I just applied some mascara to my lashes and I went in with my Sophie Bella lashes in the style Bahama. And I really love this style because it is pretty dramatic, but you can still see through the lashes, so it doesn't cover up all the work that you just did. And this is one of my favorite styles at the moment. I'll always leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lash brand. But yeah, the next shade that I went in with is B5, and I just started to put that on the lower lash line. And I pretty much used all the same shades that we used in our crease on my lower lash line as well. So then I went into D1 and I really focused this shade really close to my lash line. And then I went back into that transition shade that we first used in our crease and I just blended out everything on the lower lash line just to make it really nice and blended and smoky. And the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. We appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys for all of your love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!